Okay, I'm putting this, my Saxon phonics away. Now I'm going to pull out my Scholastic Phonics book. We're still working on the letter I right here. And this is our uppercase I, okay? So we're going to practice writing that. First we get to trace. Okay, so it's a line and it has a hat and feet. Line, straight hat, straight feet. Line, straight hat across the top, straight feet. Okay, so capital I. Okay, capital I, capital I. Remember, because it's a vowel, not only does it make a short sound, but it makes a long sound. Okay, so I'm going to make 3 more is good. Okay, so there you go. So there, all together we have 3 plus 3 equals 6 I's all together, right? Okay, so now down here it says find each capital I, color that shape green. So here is our iguana. Okay, so I'm gonna find all my green ones. And then you can color the rest of the picture after you find all your I's. And this is a little bit tricky because there's a T there and a T here. Okay, so it looks like, oh, there's one more right here. It looks like you're going to get to color your iguana a couple different colors today, right? And I can't believe how many species of iguana there are. We didn't watch the one that showed how many species there are. We watched the one about the blue one that swims. So yeah, the iguanas come in a lot of different colors, a lot of different, depending on where they live. Okay, they have adaptations, and we talked a little bit about that. Do you remember when we did the deep ocean? We talked about the differences in animals and how they adapt. When they're born somewhere, they may look a little bit different. So jellyfish are all different sizes and all different colors and shapes depending on where they live. Even it's the same with a lot of different things. Think about birds and dogs. There's not just one kind. There's a lot of different kinds of them depending on what they were bred to do. So for instance, for dogs, you have some dogs that were bred to be good hunters. You have some that were bred to be like in Alaska, they have the sled dogs that were bred to pull things and be very strong and good at pulling things together. They would pull the sleds, right? And then you have dogs that are good at hunting, so they know how to go and fetch birds if people are hunting birds. You have dogs that are really good at being comfort dogs, so they're trained how to help people when they're not feeling good. So there's all different ways that animals adapt, and that sometimes affects how they are colored as well. Okay, so I hope you had a good time coloring your iguana today. They're a very interesting creature. Go ahead and give yourself an exit ticket when you're finished. And then you have one more page in here that you're going to be working on. So put this back in your phonics folder so we can work on that again tomorrow.